Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download TradingView on laptop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Google Chrome and search for tradingview.com. Okay, but in this tutorial, I won't subscribe in any kind of plan on this website, but don't worry because the process is still the same, okay, if you subscribe in any plan. Okay, so once you've logged in your account, I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen beside your profile picture. So now just go ahead and click on More Tools and click on Create Shortcut. Okay, so now here you can just go ahead and create your title, but I'm just gonna delete the Analyze Your Chart so that my title will be Trading View. Okay, so this is the important part. You need to check this Open as window. Okay, so don't forget about this part and click on Create. Okay, so now the Trading View is now downloaded on your device. Okay, so you have the application on your computer, so just go ahead and click on that when you want to use TradingView. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.